Right, I wasn't going to do a video this week, but I'm on my holidays here in Croatia, and I was out at the bar last night having dinner with Shelley and Sienna, and I got roped into a job by the locals to cut down the branches of a palm tree. These are the dead leaves that have been dropping and drooping what looks like over the last 20 years, and nobody's ever cut them off. But when I mentioned I was a gardener, I got this thrust into my hands and a ladder given to me as my preferred method to reach these branches. I've got no idea how it's going to go. I'm not even sure if I'm going to survive. This might be the last video I ever make because it's quite high up. I think it's about 30 foot. So let's see how I get on. Hopefully I'll see you on the next one, but keep watching and see if I manage to achieve what the locals think I can do. Right behind me is the offending tree with all its dead and drooping finery. I'm going to find out what it's called later, and I'll put the name on the screen for you to see. But yeah, I've got to somehow get up to it. I've had a look if I can get to it from the balcony, but I think I would end up killing myself. So the ladder's going to have to go up the front of it, and yeah, let's see what happens. Right, so as you might be able to see, this is the sort of top half. I'm standing on top of the roof terrace, and with that really sharp knife I may be able to get some of the stuff on this side, but this fence is very flimsy and I'm not sure that I want to be leaning on it or against it, because there's a good drop down there. You get an idea of how tall the tree actually is. So I'm gonna have to be careful and take a few precautions whilst I'm up there, but I think I'm just gonna have to trust that my judgment's good enough. I'm gonna put some gloves on. I've got some decent shoes on now, so let's see how we get on. So here's the team. Sedji, Shelley, come on, say hi.
Hi. Hello. Dobar dan.
Dobar dan. Dobro jutro. Okay, so here we've just arrived at the local restaurant, Ade, and I think Pete, who runs it, is here. Yeah, he is. There's his van. So let's go and get the ladder. This is a wonderful little restaurant, actually on the side of a school, and the school kids use this space alongside Pete during the day. And this is my very good friend Pete, who runs the restaurant.
Hello, hello.
Right, let's go and get that ladder.
Okay.
You can film the sports. Right, then Shell, you get one in. You get that in.
We need the music,
Shall we turn?
What? I'm turning. I've got to do it gradually.
Oh my goodness. I'm not sure I should be doing this. There's actually a second one here behind me as well, but that one I hope is going to be a little bit easy to get to. This one here, the main one, as you can see, the ladder's against that, and that I think is a 3-meter ladder, and we're not where we need to be yet. Got to go all the way up there. So Yeah, wish me luck. Here I go. I'm going in. A bit nice knowing you all. Edit it afterwards. I'm going to go under, I think, because when I go on top, it wobbles all over the place.
Right.
Okay, I think the ladder's in position. My reputation as an international gardener rests on this job.
International Gardener of Mystery.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, you are a bit Austin
I need to find out what this tree's called. Apart from a palm.
Could be called Dead Man's Tree.
Jesus Christ.
Huh?
Aha.
Try not to drop them in there.
I can pull some down, which is good. Let's hope there's nothing living up here that I'm going to be scared of. I'm going to have to be on top of these to cut them.
You can't get high enough.
I know, this ladder, well I can, but it starts getting a bit hairy scary.
Well, I'll come and stand on the bottom.
It's not that shell, I'm more concerned about it falling around the tree. I think I'm square, but the trouble is when I go over the top of them,
Yeah.
this pushes the ladder off the tree. While it's on the tree, it's fairly stable.
Can you not just pull off what you can at the moment? And then work your way round maybe?
Yeah, I suppose you can really forget the knife maybe.
Yeah.
The trouble is some of these are getting quite tough.
So you're a big strong gardener man.
Bit stupid gardener man. Oh my god.
Oh my god, indeed. Just do the front bits.
What I don't want is one of these to give and I go with it.
Careful, careful.
So far, I've not needed the It's a lot more tiring than it looks. I think the secret is to just get one at a time and give it a good sharp yank. If I go for 2 or 3 at a time, they don't seem to want to come down. This seems to be working quite nicely. Come on. I can actually see the top of the tree. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, before you go telling people what you do for a living, think about the consequences. Oh my God. My worry is they'll ask me to do another one. Any excuse to get me naked, isn't it, Shell? Oh yeah, I remember this fence is not very good.
No, you have to see that really moving.
Maybe I need to move the ladder to the side.
You got the same hair?
I got offered the same from the man over the road. It'll make good video footage if I go over the edge. This could be a YouTube sensation.
You don't want to cost you me, following.
more leaning over once. Ah. Yeah, I've been silly now, Ade. I hope they know that I charge £50 an hour. For all those people that tell me not to move the ladder while it's extended like this, and I should, the rules don't apply out here.
Yeah.
They don't know what health and safety is. I'm not about to show them. Let's see what that does.
I had to get a bit of a bum shot in then.
I'm just getting stuck into the second one. Couldn't leave that half done. But when we've finished filming, Shell's been attacked by a fly. But when we've finished filming here, we are definitely heading to the beach and a cold beer and a swim. So I'll see you there. So there it is, finished, the small one, looking absolutely splendid. Really pleased with that. I'm sure the locals will be too. And over here, the big one looking absolutely fantastic, just blowing gently in the breeze. And by taking those dead leaves off, it'll help the top develop, and hopefully they'll get a much better, healthier plant going into the future. If you enjoyed this one, I did survive. And hopefully I'll see you back in the UK for the next episode of Ade Morcom Gardening. Enjoy, subscribe, tell all your friends. But for now, for Croatia, over and out. One happy cat.